Hello, this is our HPEDM ER-008566 collet holder HE-C06502. It was made of high-quality stainless steel, and it was fixed in the centering plate 5.0. The repeat accuracies were high, up to 2 micro, and it can be used on Erowa system perfectly. The ER-008566 collet holder clipping workpiece from 1 to 20 millimeters. How to use it? You just need to use the ER-008566 collet holder to fix on it, and clipping on the holder, like this. And here clipping round workpiece here. Then put it on the lower track like this to tighten it. Yeah, it was used on EDM machine for EDM die sinker. Accuracies were high, warranted 1 year. Price is good, welcome to inquire. Thank you.